There is a science to business, but when your business is science, trust is the key to success.
The science behind USANA is unparalleled. No one even comes close to it. It was the science that attracted me to USANA and to USANA.
That trust is vital not only for the consumer, but for the medical practitioners who work tirelessly to give their patients the best care.
When we are working with our patients at Sonavive, it is important for us to make sure that what we give them is going to work. So it's really important that we have products that we trust, and we do trust USANA completely.
It is also that trustworthiness that led USANA to become a trusted partner of the Dr. Oz Show.
We vet the potential partners very meticulously. We have a whole medical unit made up of doctors and trained individuals who understand the health space, who look at all the nuances of what companies do, what are the products they make, what are the people like at the company, how meticulous are they, what do folks say about them. We take all that and we look, of course, for non-disputable realities. How good is their science? How's their research? Do they have integrity? And if they have all those things, then they're a good match for us. And I came to the USANA headquarters here in Salt Lake City, and I was blown away. This is an FDA-registered facility, craft incredibly high-quality products, kinds of things that I as a doctor look forward to when I prescribe a medication. Now I can find in vitamins that I happen to take myself, by the way. And that gives me a lot of confidence.
This array of third-party validation is essential to USANA's growth and credibility as a leader in nutritional science.
It is so important to have third parties involved in research.
And USANA was able to demonstrate, at least to my satisfaction, that it was third-party science that was proving what USANA was saying about their products.
We can trust that USANA is doing a great job with the research. And so for us, we as practitioners, we feel so confident in the work that USANA is doing.
The research and work USANA is now doing with cell signaling has the attention of the biggest names in medicine.
We look at the science behind USANA's work, and you got to go back and see where it started. And they began talking about antioxidants before it was in vogue to talk about antioxidants. They were ahead of the curve, as they have been throughout their history. And when Dr. Wentz began thinking differently about how oxidation can be arrested and altered in our bodies, he began to develop whole new insights about how people could help themselves. And now we come to a whole new phase, which is cell signaling technology. What actually happens inside of a cell that allows it to mature and survive during hardship. And this is part of this big idea called Incelligence. Incelligence is about looking at the process occurring in a cell and allowing it to work even better.
Cell signaling, although it may sound complex, and we can make it quite complex, it's simple. It's nature.
And it's through that cell signaling that it tells one cell what to do and what not to do, how to behave and how not to behave. It's already within us. The science that USANA is introducing is allowing that to come back to a more efficient level so that the body is ready at any moment's notice to do what it needs to do with whatever environment it finds itself.
So basically, if we give our bodies what it needs, the right nutrients, the right environment, our bodies will do what it needs to do to adapt and respond to stresses, to regenerate cells, to be well nourished, and to be optimally healthy.
The future of nutrition ignited by enlightened vision.
But the remarkable brilliance Dr. Wentz has in seeing where the next opportunities are, where's the future, where should we be? He broke ground in many different areas. He broke through barriers that had held people back. He busted through the clutter of lots of other companies trying to do the same thing, but not being able to do it quite as well. And he had a vision of how we could move the needle, how we could build something so big, so important, so valuable, so useful that everyone would be part of it.
And now, all eyes are on USANA.
I've looked behind the curtain, I've seen some of the wisdom that's out there, and there are going to be a lot of folks who are looking to USANA to lead the way. We have brilliant people around you, you'll do some brilliant things.